Next game, Barangay Punta versus Barangay Miputak. Guys, with imports ni both teams, with 3 imports. Okay, apita magsugod.
Pretro. Gabalina versus Dagaluan. To Dagaluan. Dumiskarte si Dagaluan. Gipasa ni Gabalina. Dumiskarte. Pass to Dagaluan. Tumira ng Trace. Wala. Rebound ni Cuenca. Brit. It's a double dribble. Dagaluan is the control the ball, is the dribble. Dagaluan tumira ng dos. Dagaluan 2 points. Mr. Dagaluan ayaw sa ipagdaganda, laban. Lakyo, andot. May tawag ang referee, foul committed by jersey number 1, Comiros. Dagaluan, dumiskarte si Mr. Dagaluan. Gipasa niya ni Villarin. Villarin to Dagaluan to Comiros. 2 points, Mr. Comiros. Ang atawang score, 2 against 4. Cuenca. Na-style ni Cabalina. Cuenca to Dagaluan. Cabalina, 2 points. Dagaluan. Tison. Bumiskarte si Tison. Tumira ng dos. Tison, 2 points. Dagaluan is the control, is the ball. Pass to Cabalina to Dagaluan. Dagaluan, bumiskarte. Tumira ng tres. Using the glass. Dagaluan. 3 points. Cuenca is the dribble, is the control the ball, Mr. Cuenca. Gipasa niya ni Alita. Back to Cuenca. Dumiskarte to Cereales. Still by Comiros. Pass to Dagaluan. Hawan. Living na wala. Rebound ni Cuenca ang bola. Cuenca dumiskarte. Wala. Rebound by Lakyo. Alba. Dagaluan to Comiros. 10 to 10. Comiros. May foul. Cuenca to Tison. Pass to Lakyo. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Jan. Tison, dumiskarte si Tison. Pass to Cereales. Wala. Rebound by Cereales. Gipasa niya ni Lakyo, pass to Tison. Tumira ng tres. Tison. 1, 2, 3 points. Tison. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Cabalina. Go to Comiros. To Villarin. 12 to shoot. Villarin to Cabalina. Tumira ng tres. Rebound by Lakyo. Tison, tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound Cabalina to Comiros to Umol. Black. Comiros to Cabalina. My foul committed by jersey number to Tison, dumiskarte si Tison. Still by Villarin to Comiros to Dagaluan, dumiskarte si Mr. Dagaluan, 10 to shoot. Dagaluan, what a nice move, Mr. Dagaluan, 2 points, jersey number 7. Cuenca, pass to Tison. Tison gipasa ni Alita to Cuenca. Cuenca to sa Perez. Wala. Naigo sa kilid sa ring. Bilyaren. Ala, ang taas mo naman pare. Lumipad ka na sa ire. 2 points, Mr. Bilyaren. Lakio, tumira ng 2. 2 points. Lakio. Score 12 against 16. People may put up 4 points. 13 to shoot. Comiros to Omol. Out of bounds. Cereales is still by Gabalida. Gabalida, pass to Comiros. Comiros, Domiscarte to Omol. Ipasa ni Omol to Comiros. Pass to Dagailuan. Ala! Wala pa yun. Bilyaren. 2 points, Mr. Bilyaren. Score 12 against 18. Ang atuang score. Cuenca is na dribble. Pass to Lakio. 10 to shoot 10. Lakio tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound ni Gabalida. Gabalida nagmamadali. Ang taas. Nakuha ni Gabalida to Dagailuan. Dagailuan tumira ng 2. Rebound ni Cuenca. Pass to Lakio. Lakio to Tison. To Lakio. To Tison tumira ng 3. Cuenca to Lakio to Cuenca to Cereales. Out of bounds. Gabalida is the dribble, is the control the ball. Mr. Gabalida to Dagailuan to Gabalida. 50 start sa Mr. Gabalida. Gipasa ni Comiros. 10. Comiros to Gabalida to Bilyaren. Turn around. Wala. Rebound by Alita. Alita to Cuenca. Cuenca to Tison. May foul committed by unsa kalayo sa iyang lungtod. Tison for the 3. No good. Rebound by Omol. To Dagailuan. Pumurma sa ire. Dagailuan. 3 points.
2 minutes and 33
Cuenca.
seconds.
Cuenca to Tison. Domiscarte. Domiscarte si Tison. Fake. Using the glass. 2 points. Mr. Tison. Cabalida to Dagailuan. Dagailuan to Cabalida.
12 to shoot, 12.
Gabalida is the control the ball. Out of bounds. Gabalida tumira ng 3. Gabalida. 1, 2, 3. Power. Cuenca. Cuenca. They bring the ball. Pass to Lakio. Attempt for 2. No good. Rebound by Dagailuan. Pass to Gabalida. To Omol. Gabalida for the 3. The back-to-back 3 points. Gabalida. Jason. Number 6. Cuenca. Cuenca is a dribble. Pass to Ompoy to Cereales. Cereales Domiscarte sa ilalim. Cereales wala. Follow up. Wala. Rebound by Gabalida. Pasos. Atin sa to.
1 minute and 13 seconds.
Gabalida pass to Dagailuan.
10 to shoot.
Dagailuan. Domiscarte si Dagailuan. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Tison to Ompoy. Hawan na hawan. 2 points. Mr. Ompoy.
54 seconds. 49 seconds. 15 to shoot.
Gabalida tumira ng tres, wala. Rebound ni Cuenca. Cuenca to Lakio to Tison. May foul committed by Makahigalan. Ompoy tumira ng tres. Ompoy! 3 points!
20 seconds, 20. 15.
Dagaluan.
10.
Pasto Villarin. To Dagaluan.
5.
Dagaluan, Domiscarte. Pasto Villarin. Nakuha ni Seriales to Tison. And the first period score 19. From the outside, Mr. Lakio. Oh, dang dapita, daplinilan nyo ng linya dia. Ayaw lang kayo magpadool sa linya, ha? Lakio. To Cuenca, tumira ng tres. Cuenca, 3 points. Cuenca, Brett. Gabalida to Umol. Pass to Dagaluan. Dagaluan to Atinsya.
10 to shoot, 10.
Atinsya, Domiscarte. Still by Cuenca. To Ompoy. Pumurma ng tres. Ompoy, wala. Rebound by Dagaluan. Dagaluan again. Pass to Villarin. Tumira ng dos. Villarin. 2 points, Mr. Villarin. Score 22-29. 7 points. Niputa. Cuenca. Cuenca to Tison. Tison, Domiscarte. Gigwardyaan to Cuenca. Wala. Tison on the rebound. May tawag ang referee foul. Cuenca from the outside. Seriales, 2 points. Dagailuan to Cabalida. Score 24-29, 5 points. Ngayobotak.
8 to shoot, 8.
Dagailuan to Cabalida. 24 seconds shot clock violation. Tison to Cuenca to Lakio. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound ni Tison. Rebound ni Cabalida to Dagailuan. To Villarin. Wala. Nakuha ni Lakio ang bola. Ompoy to Lakio. 2 points. Gabalida. Gabalida, Domiscarte si Gabalida. Pastor Dagailuan. Gabalida tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound ni Ompoy. Ompoy the rebound. Dagailuan from outside to Gabalida. Gabalida. Domiscarte. Foul committed by jersey number 11. Dagailuan.
8 to shoot, 8.
Dagailuan to Gabalida for the 3. Rebound ni Tison to Lakio. Lakio under 2 points. Score 20-29. Dagailuan, Mr. Dribble is the control the ball.
10 to shoot, 15.
Dagailuan ni Domiscarte si Mr. Dagailuan.
10 to shoot, 10.
To Campamanes is a block. Rebound ni Villarin.
5 to shoot.
Gabalida tumira ng tres. Wala. Lumabas. Palwa by Campamanes. 2 points. Ompoy, tumira ng 3. Rebound, Campamanes. To Gabalida. To Dagailoan. Dagailoan, the power maker found. Miputak, Mr.
Left hand to
Dagailoan. Jersey number 7.
10 to shoot, 10.
Tumira ng 3 si Mr. Dagailoan. Wala. Rebound ni Tison to Lakio. Lakio to Cuenca. 2 points, Mr. Cuenca. Score 30-31. Usa na ra 1 point ang labaw sa Miputak.
15 to shoot.
Gabalida. Is the control?
5 to shoot, 5.
Nagita siya ang kapasahan. Gipasa ni Villarin. Pass to Gabalida. Gabalida, pass to... shot clock violation. 24 seconds shot clock violation. Lakio is the dribble, is the control. Lakio hook shot using the glass. 2 points, Mr. Arnold Lakio.
Fifteen to shoot.
Oh boy! Kinaliwa! Wala! Lakio on the rebound! Wala again! Rebound ni Ompoy to Cuenca to Tison! Pumorma sa 3! Tison! 3 points! Time out! Charge to Barangay Miputak! Score!
Miputak, wala na yung time out sa first half. Punta na pamoy.
Kabalida. Kabalida to Marapo. Back to Kabalida to Comiros. Tumila ng boss. Rebound ni Oy. 2 points Oy. Cuenca. Cuenca to Lakio. Still by Campamanes to Kabalida. To Comiros. Nakuha ni Siriales ang bola to Tison. Tison. Pass to Cuenca. Tumira ng 3. Rebound by Cabalida. Pass to Comiros. Comiros. Block. Nakuha ni Marapaw. Marapaw. No good. Rebound by Siriales. To Cuenca. Cuenca. Dumiskarte si Cuenca using the glass. 2 points Cuenca. Gabalida. They bring the ball. Pass to Comiros. Comiros to Gabalida. Gabalida is the control the ball. Pass to Campamanes.
10 to shoot, 10.
Gabalida tumira ng 3. Rebound ni Oy ang bola. Pass to Gabalida to Comiros. Tumira ng 3. In or out. Tison to
15
Siriales.
to shoot, 15.
Siriales to Cuenca to Ompoy. Out of bounds. Gabalida. Dumiskarte si Gabalida. Nakuha ni Siriales ang bola. Cuenca to Andot Lakio. No good. Rebound ni Campamanes to Comiros. Comiros, Dumiskarte, atin for 2. Wala. Rebound by Siriales. Siriales to Cuenca, out of bounds ang bola. Comiros is dribbling the ball, pass to Gabalida.
18 to shoot.
Gabalida.
15.
Dumiskarte si Gabalida to Oy. Ay, nabitawan ang bola. Nakuha ni Banban Siriales to Andot Lakio. Pumorma, wala. Rebound ni Comiros ang bola. Comiros to Gabalida. Gabalida to Campamanes. Wala. Oy on the rebound. 2 points, Oy. Cuenca. Cuenca is
2 minutes and 5 seconds.
is the control. Dumiscarte si Cuenca. Rebound Marapaw to Campamanis. Campamanis to Cabalida. Cabalida pumurma ng 3. Wala. O rebound.
Time out.
First throw committed by jersey number 19 on basket. Ready lineup for the last throw committed by jersey number 19 for the free throw line. No good for the second throw. Cuenca. Cuenca to Lakio. Lakio to Tison. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Cuenca the rebound. To Lakio. To Opo. Wala. Rebound ni Comiros. Comiros nagmamadali. Gipasa niya ni Dageluan. Dageluan pinaliwa. Wala. Rebound by Campamanes. May foul. Foul Comiros. Un point to Lakio, tumira ng 3 si Lakio, wala. Out of bounds. Dagailuan.
47 seconds.
Dagailuan is the control. Dumiscarte si Mr. Dagailuan. Rebound by Siriales. Siriales. Pass to Ompoy. Ompoy. Ay, ay, ay! Traveling violation. Dance.
25 seconds. 10 to shoot. Fifteen seconds. 12 seconds. 10. 5.
And for the second period, score 37-38 in favor of Barangay Miputak.
Dagailuan. Pass to Omar. To Comiros. Attempt for 2. No good. Rebound by Ompoy. Jersey number 14 to Siriales. Katong nakailan ako ha. Pili ko ninyo hayron kung amoy mga dula sa inyong barangay. Pili ko ninyo hayron og mag-imsi. Ang ako ang talent pay. Gamay na kayo. Isara ka granding red horse. Sana all. Okay kayo.
Sinsya na mo sa MC, abnormal na MC na mo.
Tison, pumurma sa 3. Tison! 1, 2, 3, 3 points! Tison! Dagailuan. Los Regadet, jersey number is a send ball out of bounds.
17 to shoot. 17.
From the outside, Dagailuan to Baliser. Baliser to Dagailuan. Dagailuan, pass to Comiros.
10 to shoot. 10.
To Omol. Hook shot, wala. Rebound ni Biliren. Biliren, follow up, wala again. Rebound by Ompoy. Ompoy to Tison. Tison, Los Regadet, Baliser. Tison, pass to Cuenca. Cuenca, pass to Tison. Tison, tumira ng 3. Wala. Follow up. 2 points, Mr. Big Cuenca. Istel by Tison. Pass to Cuenca. Cuenca, 2 points. Score 44. 40. Labaw ang punta. 4 points. Comiros. Dumiscarte si Mr. Comiros. Comiros pass to up. Out of bounds. 150 natay uahay sa cultural. Cuenca to Lakio. Lakio. Ni crossover si Lakio. Gipasa. Ayay! Nakuha ni Cabalida ang bola. To Comiros. Comiros to Miscarte. Ayay! Está behind pass. Tison. Ni crossover. Ipasa. Isa sen. Insay ulit tao diha, naidalaga nga single ray, gwapa kayo! Nasa kong likuran! Oh, di ara, oh? Tanawa ninyo, ha? Comiros,
12 to shoot.
Turangiluan, wala! Rebound by Villarin! Oh, my foul! Committed by jersey number! May gabi ni mo diha, ma'am? Thank you for watching for tonight for the play between Barangay Miputak and Ponta.
5 to shoot, 5.
Gabalina! Pass to Comiros! Is good! Lakio! Pass to Cuenca! Pass to Ompoy! Tumira ng dos! Using the gas! 2 points, Mr. Ompoy! 40-46 ang ato ang score! Dagaluan gigorjaan ni Lakio to Comiros ang Gabalida. 2 points, Mr. Gabalida. Cuenca scored 46-42. Cuenca tumira ng 3. Ayay, over. Very strong. Gabalida to Villarin. Basket may kasamang foul. Foul committed by jersey number 16. Cuenca. A bonus throw committed by jersey number 17 for the Pitford line. Villarin. Sana all may BB na kayo. BB loves, where are you? Ang BB loves ni Eski. Rebound by Seriales. Pass to Ompoy, pumurma sa ere. Wala. Dagaluan the rebound to Comiros. 2 points. Iguales 46 ang score. The third period. Seriales 3 points. Ayos. Dagaluan. Indot kayo ang dola na to mga kahigalaan karong gabi na kay gugod-gugod na kayo ang score. Rebound by Seriales. Seriales to Cuenca. Cuenca pass to Tison. Pumorma. Liap wala. Rebound by Comiros. Comiros to Gabalida. Tumira ng 3. Rebound by Comiros. 2 points Mr. Comiros jersey number 1. Iguales 48 ang atong score. Lakio. Si Lakio ni dribble, pumorma ng 3. Wala. Rebound ni Villarin. Villarin to Comiros. Out of bounds. For the posto Ompoy to Seriales. Seriales Domiscarte si Mr. Seriales na istel ni Comiros. Comiros Domiscarte. Pasto Dagaluan. Tumira ng 3. Dagaluan. 1, 2, 3. Points. Nakuha ni Kagabalida. Na-style ni Ompoy. Pasto Lakio. Lakio to Tison. 2 points Tison. Score 51-50. 1 point. Dagaluan Domiscarte. Pasto Villarin. Gabalida.
5 to shoot.
5 to shoot. Rebound ni Umol. May foul. Committed by Joe.
3 minutes and 30.
Umpoy. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by ni Umol to Dagaluan. Dagaluan. Pass to Comiros. May foul. Committed by jersey number. Ang atuang score. May putak. Andalin. Cuenca to Cereales.
14.
Cereales tumira ng 3. Cereales. 3 Igual ay 53 ang ato ang score. Dagaluan.
15 to shoot, 15.
To Gabalida. To Umol.
10 to shoot, 10.
Damiskarte si Umol. Rebound by Cereales. To Tison. To Lakyo.
2 minutes and 29. 15 to shoot.
Lakyo. To Tison.
12.
To Cuenca. Traveling violation. Gabalida.
14 to shoot.
To Comiros. Back to Gabalida. Foul committed by jersey number. Warning for penalty. Barangay Punta.
Penalty.
Dili na nila. Bisi na pang kwaon. Dili na mapsan. Alita. Wala. Lucky on the rebound to Tison. Tison. Domiskarte. What a nice move, Mr. Tison.
$15 to shoot.
Dagaluan. Domiskarte. Pass to Umol. Block by Alita. To Cuenca. To Lakyo. Ah! What a block pa! Foul by Gabalida. Block by Gabalida. Tison. Pemorta. Rebound by Cereales. 2 points, Mr. Cereales. Score 57-53.
55 seconds.
Comiros. Bilyaren. Estel ni Lakyo. Lakyo. Foul. Cereales to Alita.
8 to shoot, 8.
Rebound ay Umol. To Dagaluan.
25 seconds.
To Comiros. To Bilyaren. To Comiros.
10.
Oh, mga bata, hoy, di maganda ka nito kasi korte, mga bata. Basket to, basket. Oh, gumikan lang anang pusta-pusta. Oh, tanawa ron, nung sa'yo nahitabo. Ha? And the third period. Period na niya. Dili na makita may bawan o kinsang mananaw karong gabi na. Play between the second game or the crossover Punta versus Mi Punta. Cereales. Tumira. 2 points, Mr. Cereales. Banban. Comiros, Domiskarte, se viste en Comiros, tumira ng 2, wala. Rebound ni Mr. Ompoy. to Brett Cuenca. Cuenca, isa dribble, dinidakdag yung bola sa sahig sa korte ni Mr. Tolakio.
15 to shoot, 15.
Lakio, dumiskarte si Lakio. Oh, lala! Rebound by Tison. Tison, pasto Cuenca, tumira. Gipasa, gibundak, giatok. Lala, na-rebound ni Comeros. Comeros to Gabalina. Gabalina, dumiskarte to Villarreal. 2 points, Mr. Villarreal. Lakio. Atog maran. Lakio to Tison.
14 to shoot, 14.
Tison to Lakio. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Gabalina. Gabalina on the rebound. Dinidakdak. Libundak. Ipasa. Iantok. Wala. Na-rebound ni Sirialis. Sirialis nagmamadali. Ipasa. Iside step. May tawag ang referee. Yung Atinsa. Isa dribble. Is the control. Gipasa ni Gabalina ang bola.
14 to shoot, 14.
Gabalina, Domiscarte. Pasto Comeros. Follow up. 2 points. Mr. Comeros. Cuenca is the dribble. Ang ato ang score, 61-59. Pasto Siriales, los regarded Oy. Siriales, giguardyaan ni Oy. Pasto ni
10
Alex.
to shoot, 10.
Tison, tumira ng 3. Tison! Jersey number 6, they bring the ball. Gabalina, pass to Comeros. Comeros, pass to Gabalina.
18 to shoot, 18.
Ball. Nangita siya kapusaan ni
10 to shoot, 10.
Gigwardyaan ni Lakio. Lakio, gigwardyaan. Ay, pasa ni Villarreal. Pass to Atinsa, tumira ng 3. Wala. Villarreal ang rebound. 2 points. Tison. Tison, gigwardyaan ni Atinsa. To Tison. Tison, Domiscarte.
6 minutes and 54 seconds.
Turnaround, wala. Rebound by Comeros. To Gabalina. Gabalina, pass to Atinsa. Atin for 2 points. Mr. Atinsa, jersey number 25. Lakio.
6 minutes and 35.
Lakio, 2 points. Score 66-63. 3 points labaw sa Barangay Punta. Star Spirit.
Eighteen to shoot, 18.
Atin siya at to Villarreal, wala. Rebound ni Tison. May foul committed by jersey number 19. Nag-ilis na siya o punta. Siya ba? Nag-ilis na siya. Tison for the 3. Tison! 1, 2, 3! Points! Tison! Gabalina to Dagaluan.
5 minutes and 45.
Dagaluan to Gabalina to Comeros. Domiscarte si Comeros. May tawag ang referee. Foul committed by Dagaluan to Gabalina. Gabalina to Humol. Pass to Dagaluan. Dagaluan, pass to Humol. Out of bounds.
5 to shoot, 5.
5 to shoot.
5 to shoot.
Oh, 5 to shoot na lang ang nabilin sa shot clock, ha? Omol, tumira ng 2. Omol! 2 points, Omol! Lakio? Lakio is the dribble, is the control, idakdak ang bola sa sahig sa korte. Domiscarte, may foul si Lakio. Committed by foul rep. Was foul. Jersey number 26, holding. Found outside, Lakio, pass to Cuenca. Ang hanip! What a nice pass by Olakio! Committed by Cuenca, 2 points! Gabalida! Dumiscarte si Gabalida, Dumiscarte, may foul! Dageloan to Gabalida, Pasto Umol, Pasto Comiros, tumira ng dos, wala! Foul committed by jersey number 47. 47. Second personal foul, Reales. 4 minutes, 47 seconds remaining. Committed by jersey number 1 for the pit port line, Cumiros. Basket, perfect, 3 points, Mr. Cumiros. Tison to Lakio.
3 minutes and 36 seconds.
Lakio, pass to Tison. Tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound ni Villaren to Cumiros, pass to Villaren, and 1. Foul committed by jersey number 24, Tison. Bonus throw, Villaren, pilay foul ni Tison. Warning, Tison, upat na imo ang foul. Warning for foul out na ka. Score 73-72, 1 point ang labaw sa punta. Bonus throw by Villaren. No good. Rebound by Seriales. Dumiscarte, pass to Tison. Di pasa niya Tison. Tison, pass to Seriales to Tison. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound ay Seriales. 2 points, Mr. Banban Seriales. Gabalida. Pasto Comiros. Pasto Umol, pasto Gabalida. To Comiros, tumira ng 2. May foul. Committed by jersey number 8, pushing foul. Awarded at 2 free throws committed by jersey number 1, Comiros. Pilay foul. Third personal foul, Seriales. Score 75-72. First throw by Comiros. No good. Oh. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. 2 minutes, 35. Pumasok, lumabas yung bola. Ayaw mapapasok. Seriales, Dumiscarte, si Seriales, pass to Umpoy. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Umpoy. Gabalida. Stay by Umpoy. Nakuha ni Lakio. Lakio is the control the ball. Pass to Lakio. Dumiscarte, pass to Cuenca. Last 2 minutes. One minute, 59 seconds.
59 seconds.
Score 70-72. 6 points ang labaw. From the outside, Cumiros to Omol.
Dua-dua pa time out ang team.
Omol to Dagaluan. Lost guarded by Lakio. Lak to Dagaluan, gipasa ni Villaren. What a nice pass by Dagaluan. Score 74-78.
Upat na lang labaw ha. 1 minute and 34 seconds. 15 to shoot. Tison tumira ng 3. Gabalida is the control. Pastor Dageluan 18 to shoot. Pastor Comiros tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound ni Tison. Tison 1 minute and 8 is the control the ball. Mr. Tison 12 to shoot. Tison dumiskarte si Tison to si Riales 5 to shoot. Tison wala. Dageluan nagmamadali si Mr. Dageluan 2 points 76-78. Duha na lang labaw. 40 seconds 40 seconds na lang ha. Foul committed. Lakyo is the control the ball. Mr. Lakyo dumiskarte si Andot. 30 seconds 30. Wala. Rebound by Villarin to Dageluan. 22 seconds. Gabalida to Villarin. Hook shot. 2 points. Ben. Oh. Pilay oras 9.1 seconds 9.1 second. 9.1 seconds na lang ha ang atong oras. Atong score igual is 70. Hoy, musyat dito, free time out. First throw, no good.
Musyat, time out. Pre.
Basket, 1 point, time out, Niputa, time out. Ang ato ang score, 79-70.
Hey, score.
Ayaw ko sa score. 79. 78 ang pikas. From the outside, Mr. Comiros to Dageluan. 5 seconds. 1. Ready now. Barangay Punta going on a 5-4 championship game kontra sa Barangay Bicayas. Ang atong score 79-70. 1 kontra ang labaw.
Hello guys, muna yung idaw sa crossover. So, sa final, sila ay 5-4 champion karong 23. So, versus Bicayas. Okay. Sila. Barangay Punta.
Winning by Mr. Commissioner Salinas.
Yan guys. Oops. Ang atong kapitan sa Barangay Punta, si Kapitan Recintes. Ayos. Okay. Best player. Kuan.
Shout out.
Gamay shout out. Oh, gamay shout out sa mga pagbo champion.
Shout out Ronnie Joshua Nieves nga fan dunker. Salamat kayo anyway sa daw go.
Okay, ang big player na to, si Nathaniel Tison. Okay, good luck.